The real sign of a positive trend has finally shown up. People all over the world are talking about how the SEC can't win the court case against Ripple. The XRP Ripple price has not gone up because of this court case that has been going on for more than 4 years. But things are changing, and experts say that growth will soon reach $589. What can you do? It sounds crazy. Let's take it one step at a time. Nota bene. Since it began in December 2020, the legal fight between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has been the talk of the crypto world. To take the fight to a new level, Ripple filed a cross-appeal on October 10, 2024, right after the SEC did the same. Stuart Alderode, Ripple's chief legal officer, said that the company's choice is meant to make sure that nothing is left on the table. This quote, which was shared by XRP supporter Jack the Rippler, shows how determined Ripple is to close all possible holes in the case. At the heart of the case is the question of whether Ripple's own cryptocurrency, XRP, should be considered a security. The decision made by Judge Annalisa Torres in August 2023 had a range of effects. On the one hand, she said that selling XRP to institutional investors did break securities rules, which meant that Ripple had to pay a huge $125 million fine. A lot more than the company's $10 million offer, but a lot less than the SEC's huge $2 billion claim. Even though this fine was big, it wasn't as important as the new decision that Ripple's sales of XRP to secondary markets were not securities. This was a big win for Ripple and the crypto community as a whole because it could lead to similar outcomes for other digital currencies even. Though this was a partial victory, the ruling gave room for violations to happen again, which is probably what made Ripple decide to file the cross-appeal. This move shows that Ripple is taking the initiative to protect its long-term business plan, especially in secondary markets, from further SEC scrutiny. It looks like the SEC is unhappy with the decision that XRP is not a security when it is sold on platforms. It filed an appeal notice on October 3rd. Many people in the business world, including Fox Business reporter Eleanor Tarrant, think that the SEC is appealing the way Judge Torres used the Howey test, which is the legal framework used to decide if an asset is a security. The commission hasn't said much about its appeal yet. It looks like the SEC is not ready to give up on this case quickly, even though it lost the most important point, which was that XRP programmatic sales do not count as securities. In contrast, Alderode is sure that the SEC's case is not strong. His main reason for doing what they are doing is that they failed to get a big win in the case. In his opinion, the SEC lost on all of the important points. That's why they filed an appeal. He wrote in a tweet, showing that Ripple thinks the SEC's arguments are weak and probably won't hold up to more review. Crypto experts now say that the XRP Ripple case is the turning point for the whole market, just when you thought it couldn't get any bigger. What's all the fuss? They think the value of XRP could go through the roof by an amazing 100,000%. Doesn't sound real, does it? There's more to the story, though. Stay with us while we explain how this court case could start the next crypto movement. Let's get started. So Random Crypto Pal recently tweeted that XRP dominance is bullish, pointing out a key time when XRP's market dominance could rise. Technical research is what he used to make his guess, setting up a green line that, if crossed, could cause big price jumps. What will happen if XRP goes above the red zone? He said it was possible for growth to go through the roof. Traders are keeping an eye on a lot of signs like this one. XRP Captain, another member of the XRP community, wrote XRP to $20 as analysts say they've never seen a bull flag this long. He's talking about a famous chart pattern called a bull flag. This pattern often means a breakout, and many people think XRP's time has come. A well-known person in the space called Jack the Rippler went even further and said that XRP could go up to $50 overnight. What a bold statement. Other experts agree, and they say that the present price of XRP is just the beginning of a big storm. Respected crypto analyst Amonix on X has made one of the most talked about statements. He has set a hard-to-miss goal. $589, that's right. A price for XRP in the tens. Amonix says that this goal is based on patterns seen in the price chart of XRP in the past, especially the formation of symmetrical triangles. He refers to a similar structure that showed up before XRP's rapid rise from 2017 to 2018, when it jumped over 75,000% to reach an all-time high of almost $4. He thinks that XRP is once again at a very important point, getting out of a cycle of consolidation that lasted 7 years. XRP did go up to 66 cents over the weekend, which Amonix sees as the start of its breakout of the triangle. He is sure that the $589 goal will be reached. He said in a tweet, "This will happen no matter how much you deny it." We still don't know if this prediction comes true, but it has caused a lot of discussion in the crypto community. So XRP is useful for more than what it was created for. The digital asset has a lot more to offer now than it did during its last big rise. More decentralized finance apps are being built on the XRP ledger, and smart contracts are becoming more useful. Many people think that XRP has a better chance of going up in value than it did 7 years ago because its environment has grown. Some people may think it's impossible for XRP to reach $589, but it's important to remember that the crypto market is notoriously unpredictable. Just like no one thought Bitcoin would go over $60,000 in 2021, it's not impossible that XRP will reach triple digits. This is especially true given its history and the growing demand for its technology. One thing is for sure, XRP will hit $20, $50, or even the crazy $589 that Aminix predicts. XRP is at a very important point. As more people pay attention to Ripple's ongoing legal fight and its growing ecosystem, the price of the digital asset may be about to change again in a big way. Now though, things really get interesting. XRP isn't just making waves, it's getting ready to take over the whole banking world. Soon, everyone will be able to use and keep XRP Ripple, from your neighbor to the biggest banks. Why should you care? This is because the signs we see now are only the beginning. Everything could change because of this strong sign. You need to see this, trust me. Let's get started. The recent news that Canary Capital has filed for an XRP ETF is huge for people who own XRP and the crypto market as a whole. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, let investors buy a group of assets. Instead of buying the assets themselves, buyers buy shares of the ETF, which tracks how those assets do. Picture a fruit basket. They sell a box of apples, oranges, and bananas that you can buy all at once if you want to try them all. Because professionals do it, it's easier, more convenient, and often safer. Let's say that basket of fruit was XRP. This is what the XRP ETF would give you. No one would have to buy and hold XRP themselves. They could buy shares in an ETF that holds XRP instead. This is very important for people who own XRP. It could let big players like hedge funds and pension funds and regular investors who want to invest in cryptocurrency but don't want to deal with the hassle of handling cryptocurrency while it's in. The report by Canary Capital shows that big businesses are becoming more interested in XRP. The news comes soon after an ETF for Bitcoin was approved, which helped Bitcoin reach a new all-time high. This trend is likely to happen again with XRP. A lot of investors are excited about this ETF because they think it will help XRP make its next big move. Eleanor Tarrant, a business reporter for Fox, said that this isn't just about putting out a new product. It's about giving XRP credibility in the eyes of regular banks. Why does this matter for people who own XRP? For this reason, ETFs are often a link between the stable world of money and the riskier world of crypto. If it is accepted, the XRP ETF could make the market more liquid, raise demand, and bring in more investors, all of which could help the price go up. It is safer and more trustworthy to use XRP as money when more businesses get involved. This takes us to the $589 price prediction that some analysts are making. This ETF could be the key that opens that door of opportunity. Big money comes in through ETFs, and that could drive up the price in a way we haven't seen since XRP's rapid rise in 2017. If XRP goes the way Bitcoin did after the ETF, the price could go up a lot. The price of XRP might go through the roof. Because ETFs make it easy for large amounts of money to flow into it. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.